Hey awesome ones, Heather here. Now I know we've got to have a lot of colorful clothing in our wardrobe, but sometimes it's just one of those black and white kind of days. And I say that like black and white, but you know what? I've got 5 outfits here and they're my favorites and I want to show them to you. Maybe it can add a little pizzazz to those days, and they're also a little bit slimming too, so let's take a look at them. They all start in just a few seconds. So there's a lot of talk about the color trends from bright yellow to orange, and they're even bringing back neon. But maybe this is something that you like to wear. Hey, just do me a favor, don't wear all black all year, because you know, we kind of get in the habit of doing those slimming kind of looks, and I don't know, sometimes it gets just a little bit boring. But I've got 5 looks for you, and they're everything from super casual to dressed up, work and business, so let's get going. So the good thing about this lookbook style video is I know a lot of you have a lot of these clothes in your wardrobe right now. So it's simply a matter of mixing and matching, and let's go and take a look at number 1. So if this outfit looks familiar to you, I get it. I know it's the classic kind of look of maybe let's call it hiding our curviness a little bit. Black top, black skirt or pants, maybe darker pantyhose or stockings. And then although these shoes have a little bit of a heel, they're also what I would kind of call sensible shoes. So let's just liven this up a little bit. Now you might think to yourself, well, I do liven it up. I put on a sweater that's a different color, or I put on a little jacket. Yeah, I'm talking about livening it up a little bit more. Let's just see what happens when I add just a couple of accessories. So I'm going to take off the sweater, and the beautiful thing about wearing all black is this color actually kind of hides your curves, and it's great, but we don't want to walk around like this. So what I've got is a cheetah scarf, and cheetah print or animal print scarf, and I just tie it around my neck like this, and va-va-va-voom, I've just added a little bit of life to this outfit, and I'm starting to walk on the wild side. And also, let's change out those sensible shoes to something with a little bit of wildness to it, like these cheetah print shoes. I just absolutely love them. They just add that little something something to an outfit. Also, we need a purse, and if you saw my video on going to the mall, hey, I'm going to put it up there for you. I did a little bit of shopping and you can tag along with me, but I bought this purse, and what I love about this purse, if I can get my little purse inside this purse, and the one thing about a rose gold color or even a silver or a gold is it's really quite neutral, so it really goes with everything. And let's just add a couple of bangles here, and we've really dressed up that all black style, and we got something really good going on here, I think. So for my second outfit, let's go a little more casual and with a little bit of sex appeal to it. And just because you're wearing maybe a black and white outfit doesn't mean they have to be all solids. I really love these capris. They have kind of like a little tiny geometric diamonds on them, so they're really quite cute. Now I also have an open toe. Oh, by the way, those capris, super stretchy, really super comfortable. But also I decided to pair this with an open-toed shoe, and they have a little sparkle to it, these black sandals. And of course, I've got my toenails painted. Now, I decided for this summer and spring, I'm going to paint my toenails blue. We don't have to wear red all the time, and if you want a polished look, you gotta paint your toenails. Now for the top, I have chosen a lacy, kind of sexy top here, and it's stretchy and super, super comfortable. There's so much going on around the neck though that I decided not to wear a necklace or big earrings to distract from the beauty of this particular top. Now also, I would add maybe a couple of bangles, maybe a couple of black bangles, and also how about a statement purse to go with this look? And absolutely love this one. It has the New York skyline on it, so it's really quite cute. And yeah, you know, we basically have a top and a pair of pants, but with the accessories, we've made it stylish and a little bit sexy. So my third outfit has kind of a flowy, feminine look to it, and although I'm wearing pants, and think about pants right now, oh my gosh, like they're all over the place. They're big kind of wide pants like these ones that I'm wearing. Also bell bottoms are popular now, and even skinny pants. I mean, go figure, they're all over the place right now. But no, I think that we don't always want to wear a skirt or a dress. And like I said, this outfit, it has some femininity to it, even though I'm wearing pants. So even though this is kind of like a shirt, it's really silky and flowy. And what I have done is I've just tucked it in the front because the pants have a little bit of a bow to them, so they tie in the front. So I wanted to kind of still show that. But I left the blouse loose at the side. Now there's two reasons for this. Number one, it camouflages my tummy a little bit because, you know, it's got a little looseness here. And number two, it camouflages my stomach. Anyway, also what I've done here is I've added a really pretty little shoe, a little pump that is black suede with a little bow. Now you don't want to overpower this flowy look with all kinds of jewelry, so I just decided to go for these kind of statement, almost diamond looking earrings, and I thought they really worked well with the outfit. So also, I would also keep the purse smaller, on the small side, and if you can get everything into it, I would probably choose a purse this size. Oh, and by the way, we're trying really hard to find similar outfits and accessories for you. And what we're going to do is link them below the video. So, and by the way, when you're shopping, they never charge you more than what the store is actually charging, but we do make a little commission on it. And I gotta thank you all for shopping because it really helps us to keep these videos going. And have you checked out our Amazon storefront? Well, Amazon allowed us to have a storefront, and it's at www.amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. It's kind of just for US residents. That's not my choice, that's Amazon's, but you might want to check that out. We got everything from housewares to clothing to the makeup I wear. So for number 4, let's get super, super casual here. And I love to walk. I got my Fitbit on and I can easily do the 10,000 steps. But I gotta tell you, I got size 10 feet. So I'm not really into those, you know, super, super tight kind of athletic pants that kind of make me look like I'm running a marathon or something. So I'm going for this type of pant that's got a little bit of a flare at the bottom, kind of hiding my big feet. But also, I find an outfit like that if I'm walking and I go, hey, that's a cute little coffee shop, or hey, I think I'm going to have a lunch right now. At least I'm somewhat dressed for it. Oh, and by the way, I absolutely love these Nike. They're very, very lightweight runners, and they're fabulous for walking or jogging. I'm not much of a jogger, but they're super, super comfortable. And you'll probably notice that I'm also not wearing one of those tight athletic shirts. Nope, I just want to have some fun. So I usually grab one of my favorite t-shirts. This one happens to be one that I got in Hollywood. I don't know, it just makes me happy when I wear them. And sometimes I'll wear a white t-shirt. You know, cotton is the best because they're breathable. Maybe from a concert where I saw a rock band or something that really makes me happy. I don't want to look like I'm training for the Olympics every single time I go out. And I'm also wearing this Adidas jacket, you know, if it's a little cooler or maybe it's going to rain. And I love the fact that it has these zippered pockets, so I don't have to bring a purse, and I can put in my money in there or maybe some extra lip balm. Now for our fifth look, let's give ourselves a little bit of a European flair. Oh, and by the way, if you like that kind of Parisian look, I did do a video on that, and I'll put it up there for you if you want to see it later. I'll give you the link to that video. Now, although this outfit, I'm wearing stripes. Stripes are usually widening for you and they make you look a little heavier, but in this instance I also have a very lightweight black jacket, so it kind of stops the widening per se. So I also decided for this look to have just a simple crossbody purse. Hopefully you can get everything in there, but and did you see my video on getting everything into a real small purse? Well, might as well just put that up there for you too, because don't keep lugging around those great big bags anymore. Now, I haven't heard otherwise, so straight leg pants are still in style, and these have got a little bit of a stretch to them. Also, to complete the kind of Parisian look, I have some walkable, they're not ballet slippers, they're actually ballet style shoes with a little heel on them. So absolutely love them. They're really, really comfortable. And just let's put on a pair of dark sunglasses and, well, we almost have that Audrey Hepburn look going on. Now, just before I bring in the cuteness factor, if you want to see a little bit more of the fashions that I wear, I started up a Pinterest page, and I've got lots of boards there, not only on fashion, but on dining out and all kinds of different things. And I think you just go to pinterest.com/awesomeover50. We'll put the link on the screen there for you. It's always a great place to kind of go shopping a little bit and shop your closet. And by the way, if you're finding that you are really enjoying these videos, why not be a subscriber? There's a button right underneath here. And also don't forget to click on the bell and you'll be notified when our videos are out. And Tuesdays are our lifestyle videos, and of course Fridays are beauty, fashion, hair, all that type of thing. And now it's time for the cuteness factor, our little dog, Hurricane. Say hi, Hurricane. And when Hurricane comes on the scene now, he's my cue to tell you about upcoming videos. And right now I'm going through my wardrobe and I'm looking for my 5 favorite blue jeans. Well, blue jean outfits like skirts and jackets and, well, pants, all that sort of thing. And no matter what they say, yes, it doesn't matter how old you are, you can still wear your blue jeans. And I'm also going to the stores and looking for waterproof makeup to show you. So, hey, you know, if you're going to a resort or maybe you're going to a pool party or something like that, you want to have your waterproof makeup or at least water repellent. So I'm on the hunt for that to look for you and also do a video. So that's coming up soon as well. And don't forget, on Tuesdays are the lifestyle videos. And you know what? We got a big announcement to make on those videos. So check out the Tuesday ones. That one's going to come up within the next few weeks, a big announcement. So I really hope this video helped you, you know, for those kind of days where you're wearing black and maybe a little touch of white as well, but really to help you put a little pizzazz into it. Maybe you might have to buy an accessory or two, but just shop your wardrobe and I'm sure you're going to find really close to these outfits. But please remember, add a little bit of life to your wardrobe and a little bit of color like a turquoise or maybe even the new orange, or maybe you'll be Lady in Red if you're old enough to remember that song. So in the meantime, before you go to the mall, shop your wardrobe, then maybe just add something for a little bit of flair and keep it awesome.